Hello, good morning, my fans. It is Dante. Good morning, good night, good evening. Depending the time that you are watching this video, it is a nice morning from East Africa, I can say so. So we thank the Almighty God for everything that He has granted unto us. So I'm so happy because God has protected me since it was night until now. I'm planning to go to work today. Today I'm going to work in Tanzania. That's where I'll go to work for the day. Let me hope that the day will go smoothly and everything will end successfully. And I really appreciate for the good work you are doing unto my community. I really love it, and may God bless you abundantly. If you are new onto this channel, please get to join my community so that we can enjoy the shows together. I gonna show you different things at different times, and I'm very sure that you gonna enjoy. This is the shade that I've already made, that I wanted to start the project of rearing chickens. And this is my small garden. You can see there is some vegetables here. And this is what we call it the mchicha. The mchicha is a very nice vegetable, and it is. This is what we call the kales, the sukuma yani. This is the sukuma, and this is what I told you that it is the mchicha. Mchicha, it is a very nice vegetable. Indeed, if you get to taste it, it is very nice. So I'm planning to start a project of layering chickens. So this is the shade. You can see how it is. I deserve to improve it a little bit to be somehow improved, so that it can access or accommodate something nice. So my fans, I really appreciate. Let me wish you to have a good day with full of blessings. Please get to subscribe, like.